Are you ready to grow delicious, nutritious kale? This superfood is easy to cultivate. Follow our guide to produce healthy, bountiful kale. Kale is a leafy green vegetable. It's loaded with vitamins. People love it for its health benefits and versatility. Growing kale can be rewarding, even in small spaces. First, understand the ideal conditions for kale. Kale thrives in cool weather. The best temperature is between 60 and 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Select a location with full sunlight for 6 hours daily. Ensure your soil drains well and is rich in organic matter. Next, choose the right seeds. You can find kale varieties like curly, lacinato, or red Russian. Each type has unique flavors and textures. Choose the one that fits your taste. Now, it's time to plant. Start seeds indoors or sow them directly into the garden. If starting indoors, plant seeds about 6 weeks before the last frost. Space the seeds about 18 inches apart. This gives each plant room to grow. After planting, keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. Water deeply once a week. If you notice the tops wilting, it's time to water. Monitor for pests. Flea beetles and aphids often visit kale plants. Use insecticidal soap to keep them at bay. Alternatively, introduce beneficial insects like ladybugs. As your kale grows, thin out weak plants. This ensures that strong plants receive enough light and nutrients. Harvesting can begin when leaves reach a size of 6 inches. You can simply pick the outer leaves, allowing the inner ones to keep growing. Let's discuss the timing for harvesting. Kale can be harvested continuously throughout the season. Plants can withstand light frosts, enhancing their flavor. You'll notice a sweeter taste after frost. For preservation, consider freezing the excess. Blanch the leaves briefly in boiling water. Then cool in ice water and dry. Store in airtight bags in the freezer. This way, you'll have kale year-round. In summary, growing kale is simple and rewarding. Start by choosing the right seeds and conditions. Water consistently and keep an eye out for pests. Harvest leaves regularly for a continuous supply. Now it's your turn. Grab some seeds today and start your kale garden. Don't forget to share your progress with us in the comments below. Happy gardening!